Veneto is located in northeast Italy and is the region of Pinot Grigio. The influence of the nearby Alps provides a cooler microclimate where fresh, crisp white wines flourish. Pinot Grigio, originally established as Pinot Gris in Burgundy, France, made its way to Switzerland in the 1300s and eventually to northern Italy, where Pinot Grigio was born. It has become Italy's most popular grape. The lesser-known Pecorino grapes come from Abruzzo, Italy, a mountainous region located along the Adriatic Sea. Pecorino, thought to be extinct in the mid-20th century, was rediscovered by a local producer in the 1980s, who took cuttings and propagated them, resulting in this grape's resurgence. Blending the popular Pinot Grigio with a unique Pecorino results in a delicate white wine with high acidity, lemon, lime, and honeysuckle flavors, and an elegant floral aroma. Pair with our signature recipe lemon garlic shrimp and farro bowls, pan-fried fish, or chicken pot pie. To view all the LE19 wines, visit wineexpert.com. These wines are only available through pre-order. Visit your retailer today.